welcome to our channel. I really appreciate you stopping by to check us out. For those of you who have already subscribed, thank you so much. And for those new to our channel, thank you for spending your time checking out our videos. And I would really appreciate it if you hit that thumbs up and give us a share and subscribe to our channel. Ayan. So this time we are unboxing the Nike Air Tailwind 79. This particular pair I got a couple of weeks ago. I think this was about 3 or almost 4 weeks ago now since this was ordered, but it just arrived a few days ago. Madami talagang delays na nangyayari sa mga packages natin, sa mga delivery, especially coming from overseas. So konting patience lang, and eventually dadating din yung ating mga package, and hopefully in good condition. Ayan. So this Nike Air Tailwind 79 was the first sneaker to incorporate the Outsole, while the Air Max was the very first to incorporate the exposed Outsole. So yun ang pagkakaiba nilang dalawa. Ayan. So this is actually the second time we are featuring this on the channel, and the first one that we featured is the black and white colorway. I'll go ahead and include a link of that video below so you can guys watch it. Alright, so moving forward to the materials used for this particular model, I really like the simplicity, yet there's a pop to it. Alright, and this is called the Speed Yellow and Midnight Navy colorway, and it's dominantly made of nylon for the upper and hits of suede. So the nylon upper is made from breathable nylon materials. You can see that it has perforations throughout the upper of the shoe, and the toe guard is made of soft suede material. So same goes with the heel and the lace stays, and you can see the swoosh branding on the lateral and medial side. That's made from leather. And moving along to the upper part of the heel is the embroidered Nike and swoosh logo. So this is one of the things that I like about the sneaker. So previously, makikita nyo doon sa isang video, yung branding niya nakaprint lang. So it's a turn off for me, really. I really like this one that they embroidered it, giving it a more classy look. So mas mukhang orig siya compared dun sa isa. So makikita niyo yung dito sa tongue as well. It's the same material used from the previous one. It has that satin effect, or shiny, shimmering, splendid look. Yan. And it has the exposed foam that gives it a deconstructed look, giving it the off-white vibe. So parang hype beast yung dating. Extended na yung tongue, so pag medyo hinila mo yan at nakapants ka, so kitang kita yung Nike branding. So that's one of the attention grabbers of a sneaker. And the lace holder goes through the tongue. Makikita niyo dyan, butas siya through and through yung lusutan niya ng laces. So that actually helps keeping the tongue stay in place, as to yung lagi mo siyang aayusin na pupunta sa kaliwa, pupunta sa kanan. Yan, so that really helps. So on the top, makikita niyo yung the tongue tab, makikita niyo yung Nike branding. So nothing really special about it. It's the same old tagging, and the laces are your typical white Nike laces, and there are no extra laces included in the box. So the inside of the shoe is made from the same nylon material that's used in the upper, but the only difference is it's in blue. So yung insole niya nothing special, just your standard insole with the Nike branding. And as for the midsole, this midsole incorporates yung Nike Air technology, but yung foam material na ginamit sa kanya, I think this is just your regular cushioning. Nothing really fancy or technological about the materials used. So probably the reason for that is they wanted to make it as close as to the original Tailwind 79 that was released years ago. So that's probably the reason behind that. And on the outsole, it's made of black waffle pattern. Ano ba? Waffle pattern, as they call it. But I don't think that it looks anything similar to a waffle outsole. What I can agree to is yung Vans has that waffle design. So I don't think, I'm not sure why they're calling this as the waffle design. Pwede natin gawin Lego. Tama ba? Lego design yung outsole nito. So it's up to you if you agree that it's supposed to be called the waffle pattern. Ayan. But it has the Nike's address embossed on the middle. So Nike Beaverton address there. And overall, I really like the shoe. It gives off the classic but modern vibe to it. So this is a sneaker that's a must-have in your collection because of its history. So if I actually checked the resale value on this on StockX, and I saw pairs of this that are collabs, like the one with the Stranger Things. It went for as high as $145 for resale. But to think of it, itong mga general release, you can get this at 30% off from the Nike website or any other outlets. For me, I got this at 30% off. From 4,995, I got this for roughly 3,100 pesos on the Nike Philippines website. So one of the cons that I can say is the cushioning. So it's kind of stiff. So if you're looking to wear this for an extended time, I think it's not recommended. And another thing is when this gets beaten up, the first thing that you're going to notice is the sole separation. Probably it's the same with the Nike Cortez. Ang unang humihiwala yung swelas dun sa upper. So yun lang naman, pero it's natural when you beat up a sneaker. So going back to the things that I like, so the pros is for it being lightweight, it's very breathable, and it has the modern yet classical appeal to it. So it's very versatile. So the sizing, it's recommended that you get true to size, but for me, I got this at the half size up. And reason for that, I have a bit of a wide feet, and I don't like my feet being like constricted too much. So I like it comfortable. So overall, I rate this about 8 out of 10 basing on the stiff cushioning and the sole separation after a while of beating the shoe. So that's about it, but I really recommend this. It goes well with shorts, with jeans, and almost anything that you would like to wear can be matched with this particular pair. So that's it, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Hopefully when our channel grows, gawa tayo ng raffle para mabigyan naman ng pasasalamat yung mga subscribers natin. Hopefully we can do that soon. I'll let you guys know what it's going to be. All right, see you guys around. Keep safe. Bye bye.